The blower is located underneath on this dashboard, specifically under the glove box. I removed the glove box to give a better view. This is the AC cabin system. Underneath, you will find this black tray. This is commonly found on most modern vehicles. You just have to simply push this small plastic tab here and pull down the tray. It's always a good idea to clean it before you return it later. Unplug the electrical connector. Then, use a screwdriver to remove 3 screws. And you can take the blower away. This is the blower motor of this Mazda 2. Here are the 3 mounting points. And this is where the electrical socket is placed. I decided to remove this to clean the fan of this blower. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.